Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how I can fix the Steam games not downloading or installing issue in 2025. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so what you want to do in the first step is launch the Steam application and navigate to your account settings. To do that, click into Steam in the top left and select settings from that drop down menu. And here inside your Steam settings guys, navigate to the download section first. So here from the top to the bottom guys, let us go through that menu and try to find a solution or fix to this issue. Let us start with the download region guys. Click into that drop down menu here to the right and make sure that you have selected the most accurate option or selection here that matches your current location as accurately as possible. After that guys, what you want to do is make sure that the download speed limitation or throttling is disabled. So if you accidentally enabled it, toggle it off here to the right. After that, click also into this menu guys here, into that drop down menu, and give Steam the permission to conduct game updates. And last but not least, here inside that download section guys, what you want to do is scroll down and simply clear your download cache. To do that, click into that button and confirm by clicking into this button. And after that, Steam will ask you for a restart. So follow that instruction. And yeah, let's see if that has fixed the issue. If that's not the case, guys, let us navigate to the library section next. So what you want to do here is make sure that both the low bandwidth mode as well as the low performance mode are disabled here to the right. And if that hasn't fixed the issue, guys, let us navigate to the storage section here. And here, guys, next to that, and here, guys, to the right, you will see these three dots. So what you want to do is simply click into them and select repair a library. And after that, click into these three dots here and select repair library. After that, Steam will ask you for permission to conduct that library repair. It may lead also to a restart of the Steam application if that's the case. So make sure that you follow these instructions as well. And last but not least, guys, if none of these options has or have fixed the issue, you may try to do the following, guys. It may be due to a driver's issue. For example, if one or more of your computer's components, for example, like the graphic cards, has not the most recently updated drivers, you may consider updating these drivers ASAP, and that may also lead to fixing this issue, guys. If that's the case, please let us know in the comments down below. That's at least how you fix this issue in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.